Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to do this beautiful Chignon. If you're interested, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So if you've seen some of my videos, you will notice that I normally take out a little in front that I use to do the side sweep. So for today's video, we're not basically doing like the regular side sweep. We're going to be doing like a flat sweep on top of the hair. So now I'm going to like hold it with my control pins and then hold everything behind. And then I'm going to take a little hair from the one I packed already and then cover my tracks. Remember guys, I always tell you to like cover your shame. So we're going to cover it smoothly with the help of our ultra hold spray. So I'm going to be putting all the flyaways to where they belong. So I'm just going to spray the hair and then rub it with my palm. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So guys, the spray is going to help the hair like get sticky so it can stay put. So I'm going to go on with my bobby pin. So this is like the smallest bobby pin I have. So I'm just going to use it and stick the hair into the one I held before. So now I'm going to go in with my edge control brush and spray it. So I'm going to use it to like smoothen the surface so it can appear really clean. So guys, I'm going to go on with my curler and just curl the hair inwardly. So guys, I'm done curling the one in front. So I'm going to go in and apply my argan oil just to keep the hair really smooth and silky. So I'm going to get my curler and curl it inwardly. So I don't usually do this. I just saw it somewhere and I really loved the outcome. So it gives it this like when I'm brushing or like making a bun, it helps to like put everything intact. So I tried it on before I did this video and it was really nice, so I decided to like do it so everyone can actually see what it looks like when you curl the hair first before putting your hair padding. So I'm just gonna comb it out and then get my padding. So now I'm going to take the hair backward and put it on the one I held earlier. So I'll be supporting it with my control pin so it doesn't move while I'm trying to like wrap the hair around that one. So as we go, I'll just spray my ultra hold spray on it just to keep everything really smooth. Guys, I've never tried this before, but I'm doing this today. So I'll be using my Bold Hold liquid gel to like put all the flyaways together on that part. So the pattern I'm using for today's video is the one I did myself. So I'm going to leave a video up there on how to do hair patterns for different hairstyles. So there's no big difference. So the only difference here is just the color of the socks cap. So I intentionally use the beige socks cap so it can, appear really clean. So you won't be seeing all the black effects when you spread the hair. So I'm just going to do my roll up method and secure it down with my bobby pins before I spread it. So once I'm done spreading, I'm going to get my hairbrush and then smoothing it. So after that, I'm going to like spray just to keep all the flyaways intact. So guys, just to keep everything intact, I'm going to get my bobby pins and like secure the hair vertically underneath the bun. So I like to do this so that the hair won't fall off, and I try as much as possible not to make my bobby pins visible. So that's it for this video. Just to add spice to it, I'm going to get this first and just place it on the part as seen in this video. So I'll get my bobby pins and secure it down so it doesn't fall off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was really insightful. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to do that before you leave, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.